Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and creative tutorial, we will learn how to add a floating text box in Microsoft Word. A floating text box can be moved anywhere on the page, making it perfect for labels, callout, quotes, certificates, posters, and professional document design. Unlike regular text, a floating text box always allows complete freedom in positioning, resizing, and formatting. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now you can see here assignment. Now I am go some down and make a text box floating. Go to the insert menu, click the text box option. Here many text box template, you can choose any. Now I am select the text box, otherwise you can create a text box easily. Then go to the format menu and here the shape effect. Now I am add the shadow to the text box. You can add glow and reflection. Now I am at the reflection and go back again, then click the 3D resolution option. Then we can see we make the text box floating shape. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.